Please stand behind the yellow safety signs. Stay safe. Always keep away from the platform edge. Stand behind the yellow.
I am Mark Dyson. I am from Ohio, and I moved out here about a year ago. I play piano in BART stations for a living, and I make animations on the side. I am 20 years old. I'm still trying to figure my life out, but for now, I'm just enjoying things for what they are. Growing up, I was homeschooled. I was homeschooled up until 7th grade. I wasn't just homeschooled, I was homeschooled on a farm in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of Ohio. And so, very isolated. But I had a computer and an internet connection, and I watched a lot of YouTube. And I saw some cool animations for some of my favorite video games like Minecraft and Roblox. I was like, oh, that's cool, I want to make that myself. And so, YouTube is kind of where I'm headed towards right now. I just want to get my name out there, make some cool stuff, share it with people, and see what happens to it. My sense of fulfillment does not come from working on things. I absolutely hate practicing. I absolutely hate drawing pictures. I hate animating. I hate doing all of that. But it's worth it because at the end I have a final product that other people can watch as many times as they want, and it's there forever. So that's where the fulfillment comes out. It's from other humans. I would never be happy doing this alone in my 4 walls apartment. I just gotta put myself out there because connecting with other humans is the goal.